Mad, sick, Reggaeville.
Try it, man. Try it, man. Working for a better situation. Well, this is Nature and I'm at Sting 2012, you know. Just deliver a wonderful performance to the people to uplift them mentally, spiritually, and physically. Great vibe, and the people accept it well. Because at the end of the day, we need positive music now more than ever. Well, we say a big respect to Reggaeville.com. Everything is everything's in. Well, peace. Reggaeville is fighting for love and peace every time, all over the world. Bless. Straight. Nature represent. Yeah.
Watch on a Reggaeville loyal flames representing to the fullest. Watch on a hey, say me sad death. I say you know one end when him a come, you know hear no calling. All you hear a morning and balling. I will tell them again, you know, keep focus. It ain't no joke now. Keep focus. Reggaeville loyal flames representing live in Jamaica. Watch on a Sting 2012 burning every time. I watch on a music for the people, their music as always. Good reggae music. Just look out for some good music from Loyal Flames. Next year album for sure. Just look out. Sweet music, real music, soul music. Burning every time, Loyal Flames to the fullest. Reggaeville. Hey, I'm out.
Yeah, man, like you know, it's Food Kartel representing for Reggaeville. We are going to cook until, don't it? Uncle Food Man.
Nephew Food Man.
Sweet yam, it's Uncle Food Man. Any good put a foot get cook. Like I said, Food Kartel representing for Reggaeville, don't it? Cook until, don't? Oh, right now the flower will choke me. Quite so, no? Yeah, man, you don't know what we done. Reggaeville, you know, you don't know our thing, you know, don't it?
We have to represent, you don't know. Well, you don't know Sting a mad thing.
Sting a mad thing. I will love that Sting here. 2012 to 15, 16, 17. Reggaeville, cook until, no? Oh.
It's a great experience, you don't know. Next year, Reggaeville, look out for more works from Exco Levi, more conscious music, album coming out, Penthouse record, jukebox music, yeah, Vikings production. Gonna be big. Reggaeville to the world, Exco Levi representing.
Mad, sick, Reggaeville.